All right, here we have a problem. We've got a company where we have 110 workers, and it turns out that 90 of them like tea, 41 of them like coffee, and 25 like both tea and coffee. And the question is, how many workers like neither tea or coffee? Sounds like some workers don't like tea or coffee, and we've got to figure this out. How? Well, we should make a Venn diagram. Okay, so what we're going to start with is I'm going to use a smooth corner box here. And this is going to be my universal set. Make it nice and big here. And, well, I know that some like tea, some like coffee, some like both. And draw some circles here. They can be ovals if you want. Let's make the coffee one slightly like an oval. That doesn't matter, no reason. Just because we can. Now I gotta start labeling some things here. I'm gonna do this up top. My universal set, or that means how many do we have all together? That's 110. I got 40 like coffee, 20, 90 like tea, 25 like tea and coffee. I'm gonna do that right away. I'm gonna put 25 here, and I'm gonna slide these over. 110 for my universal set, 110 altogether. Oh shoot, I forgot to label my sets. I'll do that right now, in a moment. C, wait, hold on a second. T is for tea, and C is for coffee. So put those over immediately. C, and this problem is really not that difficult. It's just remembering that even though we had this problem here, and it's like, what do we do? Well, we just solve it with a Venn diagram. And so it actually turns out to be a fairly easy question. I'm not even going to use variables this time. I'm going to use the variables in my head. So, for example, 90 like tea. Well, I already know that 25 like tea and coffee. So I can say, well, 90. Oh, I'm using the white font. I need to switch that to black. 90 like tea altogether. Take away the 25 who like tea and coffee. I'm left with 65 just like tea. And similarly, we've got 41 like coffee, and I already know that 25 of them like coffee and tea. That leaves, we're going to go with 16. All right, let's fill this in now. We said the 65 is, let's just double check here. 65 plus 25 is equal to the 90 who like tea altogether. So we're good to go there. 16, these are the people who just like coffee. And then together with the 25 who like coffee and tea, we have 41 workers who like coffee. Just turns out that some of them like coffee and tea. The question is, work out how many workers like neither tea or coffee. Well, that would be some number outside here. How are we going to figure that out? Well, these things, all the numbers have to add up to 100, right? Maybe I will use a variable now, just so. Yeah. Let's just. I'm going to put n for neither, and I'm going to slide this over because there should be a number here. This n for neither coffee nor tea. Now, all of these things, these all have to add up to 110 people. All right, let's do that right now. I've got 65 plus 25 plus 16 plus that n is equal to 110. Well, 65 and 25, we said that's 90 plus the 16 is equal to 110. 90 and 16, that's 106 is equal to 110. Oh. I forgot my n. Where'd that go? N. Yeah, people get after me for forgetting stuff. And here, plus the, I was getting too excited about all of this. Now, n is equal to that 110, take away the 106, and we're left with n is equal to 4. Oh my goodness, that was not so bad after all. I told you. I'm going to take out that 4 and put it on top of the N. Let's, we might as well take our time, clean this up a little bit, since we got a lot done here in a hurry. Boom, 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 boom. Fill this up, and I'm just going to write a sentence here. To answer the question, only 4 workers do not like tea or coffee. Maybe they really like apple juice. I don't know. I'm just being silly now because I'm so happy that we solved this question so quickly. Get rid of that, Mr. Young. That's our answer. 4 workers do not like tea or coffee. You add these all up and we get to 110. Hope you enjoyed that one. Have a good rest of your day. Whichever time of day it might be, enjoy the rest of it.